Hello, today we are going to discuss how to find the volume of prisms. A volume of a prism is the product of the area of the base and the height of the prism. So it is the product of the area of the base times the height. A lot of times in elementary school, we would say length times width times height. And that's true for a regular, like rectangular prism, but sometimes it would be like a triangular prism. So we just can't say length times width times height. So now we use a capital V for volume, a capital B for the base, and that means the area of the base multiplied by the height. Okay, so now for this first one, let me first go up here to this triangular prism. The area of the base, this is a triangular prism, so you would find the area of the triangle first, then multiply it by the height. If you look at the rectangular prism, the area of one of the bases would be length times width to get the area of the base, then multiplied by the height. Okay, so first, for this first rectangular prism, we're going to do area of the base times the height. When we substitute in for the area of the base, it is a 3 by 4. So I'm going to put 3 by 4 for the area of the base. The height of this prism is 7. So 3 times 4 is 12. And 12 times 7 is 84. Remember, anytime we're talking about volume, it's going to be cubic inches to the third power. Okay, so that one was pretty easy. This next one is, you got to think about for a little bit. This is a triangular prism. So we are still going to write volume is the area of the base times the height. Now, for this triangular prism, remember I said to look for the right angle. The two edges that it's touching is your base and your height. That would be the same down here. Base and height of the triangle is 3 by 4. Now, the area of a triangle is 1/2 times base times height. So I got that 3 and 4 from here, and then my height is 6. We obviously need to do that problem first, the area of the base. So 3 times 4 is 12. Half of 12 is 6 for the area of the base, the area of the triangle, times the height would give us 36 cubic meters. Okay, let's do another one. Area of the base. Again, this is a triangular prism. Look for the right angle. The base is 5.5. The height is 2. So we're going to do 1.5. Base is 5.5. Height is 2. So if I do 5.5 times 2 divided in half, I get 5.5. And then I still need to multiply by the height of this triangular prism, which is 4. So 5.5 times 4 is 22 cubic inches. Okay. What about if we have a cube? Same thing. Area of the base times the height. The base is a 4 by 4, and the height is 4. So we have 16 times 4, which is 64 feet cubed. That one would have worked, length times width times height. Okay, this triangular prism, you got to find the area of the base or that triangle first, then times the height. Look for the right angle. base 12, height 5, so 1/2 times 5 times 12. 12 times 5 is 60, divided in half is 30 for the area of the base, times the height of 9 to get 270 cubic meters. And the last one. If it is an odd shape, this let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, pentagonal pyramid, it tells us the base is 43 millimeters squared. That's nice. We didn't have to figure it out. They gave it to us. The height is 15. So we can just plug in there and do 43 times 15 to get 645 square millimeters. And that is how we find the volume of a prism.